Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to save a place in the Bolt app. Just open the app and go to your account, which is at the bottom of the page. And now scroll down a little bit and here are your saved places. Tap on the Add the Place button and now search the location you would like to add. Select it and you can even use the map to adjust the place. And if you are satisfied, click on Confirm Location, enter a name for this place. I will enter unknown because I haven't been there. Okay, and select an icon for that and save. From now on, it will be here, your saved places, and you can easily go there when you order a ride. That's basically it. I hope it helps.